just like a quick ride here because it's not that interesting. But the taste is still the original cab and it originally commissioned today on the 8th of September 2024. Just like a quick ride. It's on Iso Roobertinkatu, Robertsgatan 28 here in Helsinki, modernized Finland. 5 floors, built in 1937, last in 2016. Simple SH2 251 with 6 4 percentage. There's the original metal plate in Swedish and Finnish, as it should be. But the band is was only in Finnish.
Yeah.
And should have been evergreen.
Yeah.
It has EcoDisc machine, but should have been EcoDisc evergreen.
Yeah.
If it was evergreen, we would have taken 2 rides.
Yeah.
I'll check that. I'll continue. And they added wheelchair platform.
Yeah.
You can press one.
Yeah, I already pressed 5.
Okay. This was probably also modernized in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the doorknobs are from that time.
Yeah. That's